What's up, you jerks? It's me, Stoneboy. Oh, shoot. Damn. Alright. Sorry. Jesus. So, not recently, but back when tier lists were popular, I was seeing everyone doing fast food tier lists. And I just thought that was so unauthentic. Because these people, they didn't even know what they're talking about. Most of the time, they were just putting fast food places. They were just saying, oh, I don't know. I've never been to this fast food place. I've been to every place on the block, man. I've been everywhere. Stoneboy's been everywhere. Every single place in here I've been to. Alright? Yeah, so let's just get into the tier list. Alright. Arby's. Arby's. I don't know. Are those the ones that don't like gay people? No, that's Chick-fil-A. Arby's, they're pretty good, you know. They got some nice chicken, you know. But, I just don't feel like their stuff is, like, juicy enough, hardcore enough that they don't take it to the next level. They play it too safe, man. I need my food crazy, man. You can't satisfy me, man. This is a B tier. Like, no. It's a C tier. It's a C tier, alright? It's gonna take a lot to satisfy Stoneboy. I'm sorry, no, actually, no. No, A&W. No, A&W. They have some nice root beer. You know, for the root beer alone, that nice sugary root beer is an A tier. Because there's nothing like a good sugary pop drink. Okay, I have no idea what this is. Okay. Burger King. Burger King. You know, they've always been under McDonald's shadow, and they don't have enough to distinguish themselves from McDonald's. That's why McDonald's really rival Wendy's, not Burger King specifically, but where the hell is Wendy's on? Okay, Burger King, you know, they got the Whopper, you know, and if Whopper is your thing, it's your thing. And you know, the Whopper, it's an incredible burger. I just haven't seen much more going for them apart from the Whopper. But you know, the Whopper, it's fantastic. Incredible burger. Yeah, it's pretty good. The Whopper alone, we're gonna put it in A tier. If root beer alone can get you to A tier, I think the Whopper can get you into A tier. Okay, Checkers, no. Chick-fil-A, you know. I feel like I'm not allowed to put this anywhere high, you know. I'm just gonna put this in F tier, you know. Yeah. No, I think it's Chipotle. Chipotle. You know, they got some nice stuff. Mainly Chipotle stuff. I've been there like once. You know, I can't give a fair review on that. Alright. Dairy Queen. Ooh. You know, Stoneboy likes his sugar. And you know, Dairy Queen, they got the cakes. They got the ice cream. I don't even care about the other stuff. They got some damn nice ice cream. They got some good ice cream, you know. It's another A tier. Dunkin' Donuts. I don't know what the hippies in Canada were doing where I live. Why were they riding their huskies all the way to Dunkin' Donuts? Because it wasn't successful enough in Canada, and now it's only in America. Dunkin' Donuts is incredible. It is incredible. The donuts are fantastic. Everything else is pretty good, but the donuts. The sweet sugary donuts. Now, most people, they would ask for more diversity for a place, but the donuts, and you know, they got good coffee, you know. I wouldn't know. I also wouldn't know about the coffee. Who cares about coffee? When am I in a midlife crisis? You know, Dunkin' Donuts, they're another A tier. Again, they would be an S if they had more going for them. Are they better than... Yeah, they're ahead of them, all the other ones. And I'm just gonna push A&W all the way back. I don't know this. I don't know La Polo Loco. Five Guys, Five Guys, they exist. Hardee's, they exist. In and out. A lot of people like them. I don't see it. I was there once, but usually not in America. They're okay. I don't see what's special about them. Maybe if I tried more of their menu, but they're nothing. They're nothing in particular. Like, they exist. KFC. Oh, KFC. Them chicken fingers, I lick my fingers when I eat anything. But in KFC, I'm licking my fingers I'm licking my fingers until I just have slobbery fingers, until I just have gooey fingers, because these chicken wings are just, wow. Now, I'll admit, there's another better chicken place, better, that's also on the list here, than KFC, but then they got some good chicken. I gotta try more of their stuff, Canada, they have a pretty slim list of fast food restaurants. It goes something like this. Tim Hortons, McDonald's, Tim Hortons, McDonald's, and then maybe a Wendy's or Taco Bell slipped in, but I've been searching far and wide for my food places, and I've eaten them all. KFC, I think, and this seems fair. Krispy Kreme donuts. Damn, they got some nice donuts. Like, it's just like, And maybe, usually, I want more flavor with my donuts, but it doesn't matter, because it's just crispy and so damn creamy. It's so good. It's really, really damn good, but again, what do they have apart from donuts? They're good. But they're not bad in Dunkin' Donuts, because Dunkin' Donuts, they have a good variety of donuts. In fact, I'll just put it back here. Alright, Long John. Alright, the Golden Arches. Where would McDonald's go up? McDonald's was a really special place in my heart. I've had their entire catalog. Whenever something new comes out of McDonald's, it feels amazing. I just want to eat that immediately. McDonald's, I think that's going to S tier. Probably personal favorite will be more fair, because, they own such a special place in my heart. But when they made that frickin' Beyond Meat burger, I lost a lot of respect for them. I still love them. It's just like a scar I have in my heart. And most people are like, oh, I don't like McDonald's. They're too mainstream, I like the underground stuff. Shut up. McDonald's is great. They got the Mary Angus's, the Big Macs. I don't think they've ever had a hit. I'm saving my Big Mac review for when I get a lot of subs on YouTube, because that's like a really special video to me. When you say burger, you think of the Big Mac. And McDonald's, like, maybe the consistency has gone like has been a little bit off in recent times. I still love them, so it's a personal favorite. Maybe not S tier, just a personal favorite. Panera Bread, I've actually been there a few times. I can't say they're that bad. I'm surprised they're classified as a fast food restaurant. They mostly have baked goods, and they're pretty good. They got the baguettes, they got like the pastries with chocolate on top of them, and I'm always down for that. It's just like, the thing is, it's bread. Philip needs more freaking flavor. Now, it is nice. You can put anything on bread and it'll taste good. And it's not exactly bread, it's pastry. And a lot of the times the pastry is good. I just don't see anything that would make it a standout fast food restaurant. So I'm just gonna put it at high B tier. Now, Popeyes. When I said there was one place with better chicken than KFC, I was talking about Popeyes. Oh, they got some nice chicken, man. Yeah. Yeah, they got some really nice chicken. The spicy chicken's good. They had that in Canada. They had that special event when Halloween was going on. Oh, they had the ghost pepper chicken. That was really good. They got a lot of good chicken. They are a little bit overpriced, I will admit, but it's fine because they got some really good chicken. Pretty consistent overall. I'm pretty sure they haven't had too much mess ups. I've only started going to them recently, but I really like them. They're A tier. They definitely A tier. And this just makes me realize there's a lot of good fast food restaurants. More good fast food restaurants and bad fast food restaurants. Okay, don't know these, don't know these, don't know this, don't know this. No Subway. Subway. Now this is one I'm actually really gonna be negative about because I don't like Subway. I don't like Subway. They're pretty damn trash. They got pedophiles running the place, and they got controversies over their footlongs being 11 inches, man. Come on, why you gotta do this? 11 inches? We wanted 12 inches, man. And it just tastes like it never stuck out as anything in particular to me. Yes, you can make your own burgers. Sorry, I'm so used to saying burger. Yes, you can make your own subs, but you see, the ingredients inside them are not good, and I don't want to bring up customer service because it's different in everywhere. But you got some fat hobos desperately trying to pay off their student loans, working at Subway, and making it with their raw dirty hands, and I'm just gonna eat that. And it's always just tasted not good. And subs never not my thing. It's a C tier. I get it if you like it. I get that. I know you for liking this. Not Taco Bell. The Taco Bells usually it's just trashy food. Well, you have explosive diarrhea after it, but they got some pretty nice tacos. And they have those nacho fries, which are really good. And they're pretty nice. Probably high B tier. No, Wendy's. I gotta pause it for Wendy's. Okay, Wendy's, I don't even know where to start. They just got so much good burgers. They got the baconators. They got the Dave's singles, the Dave's doubles. I mean,
just Google their menu.
Yeah, I should probably Google their menu. That's a good idea. But what they stood out to me was the bacon jalapeno burger. I want to try more of their catalog, but I just keep on having the bacon jalapeno burger because it's so damn good with those jalapeno fries. Wendy's, I want to say they're S tier. They're just a personal favorite. Now, these I don't know. Yeah, that's the rest of the list. Okay, yeah. I'm pretty happy with this. Wait a second. There, that's my list. Hope you enjoyed the video.